Hey, it's Jamey Schreier here, author of The Practice Freedom Method. And have you ever heard the saying, it's just easy as riding a bike? Well, my family and I just recently got back from vacation down at the beach. And this was the first year we all rented bikes. We got 4 bikes for everybody. And it kind of got me thinking. And the last time that my wife rode a bike, it was, I don't know how many years ago. And she was like, oh, I don't know if I really want to get on a bike and start riding around. And but she did. She was fine, but because it's easy as riding a bike, right? But it got me thinking though, if let's say you never learned to ride a bike. If you never learned to ride a bike, then you couldn't say, well, it's easy to ride as riding a bike. And it got me thinking about, what about business? What about, let's say, marketing? Well, it's easy as learning how to generate referrals. Well, what if you don't know how to do that? Or it's just easy as hiring great people. I mean, it's easy when you know how to do it and you've been successful doing it. That's when something's easy. But I don't care how easy something is to other people. If we don't know how to do it, then it's not easy. So what do you do about it? You learn how to do it. You learn how to do it. And I know there's some great challenges out there, and I know you have some great challenges in your business around generating referrals or going to the next level or keeping great staff and increasing productivity. I know you have some great challenges. And you know what? To some people, those aren't challenges. It's actually pretty easy to do. But it isn't for you. But it could be. If you want to learn, if you want to discover what it takes, so a few months from now, you'll be like, well, this isn't really that hard. Then I invite you to come to the Practice Transformation Summit on October 25th to the 27th. It's going to be in beautiful, the Washingtonian area of Gaithersburg, Maryland at the Rio Marriott. And it's going to be a tremendous event with other like-minded practice owners. And what we're going to help you is we're going to help you make your business as easy as riding a bike. Hope to see you there.